Hello and welcome to the third episode of our personal finance series. This episode is all about savings. I know most of you already know that savings are important for so many reasons, but let me tell you a story. Now this is a story of a young guy named Tom. Tom doesn't have any work experience and doesn't even have a degree which can get him a job. He only knows one thing, that is he has to save 20% of his income. So he starts with cleaning the cars. He went to some people with cars and asked them whether he can clean their cars. For this, he earned 50 rupees per day on average. So within a month, he earned 1500 rupees, out of which he managed somehow to survive by spending 1200 rupees and saved 300 rupees. I know this sounds unreal to survive with 1200 a month, but Tom did it somehow. And with his amazing financial discipline, he also saved 300 rupees a month. And after 1 year, he had savings of rupees 3600. He then decided to upgrade and bought shoe polish and brush and started polishing shoes at a corner of a busy street. With this, he started to make 100 rupees per day. Now he was able to save 20 rupees per day, and for the month, he was making 3000 and saving 600 per month. He continued this for another year, and at the end of the year, he had a savings of 7200. With this money, he opened a small tea stall. This year, he was making 300 rupees per day, which means 9000 per month, and he was saving 1800 per month. By doing this for 5 months, he saved rupees 9000 and started selling snacks and cigarettes on his stall. Whatever he was earning, he was saving 20% of the income. Within 2 years, he had enough money to upgrade his stall, and then he started selling food too. Soon, he started his own tiffin services to deliver food, and now that he was earning a decent amount of money and was able to save more, he soon rented a property and started his own restaurant. He still didn't give up on saving 20% of the income and now also started to invest that savings. Within few years, he opened multiple chains of his restaurant and became a successful person. Now in this story, the toughest part for Tom was to save 20% of the income when the income was low. But that was also the most important. If he had spent the whole amount that he was earning, he would still be cleaning cars. The moral of the story is that no matter what work you are doing right now or how much you are earning currently, if you are not saving money and investing in right instruments, you will have a hard time growing and prospering in your life. We keep delaying savings and investments by saying that we can barely afford to save anything. We live from paycheck to paycheck. But the truth is, if you are not saving from what you are earning, it will be very difficult for you to achieve financial stability and fulfill the long-term goals that you have. Building on the inspiring story of Tom and the transformative power of savings, it's essential to delve deeper into the multifaceted role that savings play in both our personal lives and a broader economic landscape. Savings are more than just a financial strategy. They are a cornerstone of a secure and prosperous future. Let me elaborate some of the factors why savings hold such paramount importance. First one is financial security and emergency funds. Savings act as a financial buffer against life's uncertainties. Whether it's an unexpected medical bill, urgent car repairs, or the unsettling prospect of job loss, having a reserve of funds can be a lifeline. This emergency fund is your financial armor, shielding you from the need to incur high interest debt during tough times. Next is realizing dreams and financial goals. Every dream, from owning a home to pursuing higher education, starting your entrepreneurial journey, or even planning a perfect wedding, hinges on your ability to save. Systematic savings pave the way to achieving these milestones, enabling you to turn your aspirations into reality without the burden of financial strain. When it comes to saving, we cannot miss retirement. It is a time of comfort, not compromise. As we age, our earning potential gradually decreases, making retirement savings crucial for maintaining our quality of life. A well-funded retirement nest egg ensures that you can cover your living expenses and healthcare needs without compromising on your lifestyle. Savings create the path to wealth creation. Savings are the seeds from which the tree of wealth grows. Investing your savings in diverse financial vehicles like stocks, bonds, mutual funds, or real estates can set the stage for substantial wealth accumulation. The magic of compounding interest works best when you start early, turning even modest savings into significant sum over time. Savings are fuel for economy. On a larger scale, savings drive economic stability and expansion. The capital accumulated through savings is the lifeblood of investments in business, infrastructure, and developmental projects, sparking job creation, enhancing productivity, and fostering the economic growth. Savings also help in steering clear of debt. A robust savings habit diminishes the dependence of debt, such as credit cards or loans, notorious for their high interest rates. This prudent approach not only conserves money that would otherwise go towards interest payments, but also bolsters your credit score and overall financial health. Savings also generate the psychological edge. The peace of mind that comes with having savings is invaluable. This financial cushion fosters a sense of control, security, and reduced stress, contributing significantly to your overall well-being and happiness. In essence, savings are the foundation upon which financial independence and a stable, fulfilling future are built. They empower us to navigate difficulties of life, seize opportunities, and make meaningful contributions to the world around us. Let the story of Tom and the principles outlined here inspire you to prioritize savings and embark on a journey towards financial resilience and prosperity. Savings are just the beginning for successful financial planning. We will be learning more about personal finance in our upcoming videos. Until then, happy investing. Investments in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.